Sustainable and eco-friendly decor, using recycled materials, solar-powered lights, and water-conserving features like rain barrels and drought-resistant plants is very popular. Outdoor living spaces, creating cozy, functional areas with furniture like outdoor sofas, fire pits, and dining tables is trending. Pergolas and gazebos are also popular for shade and structure. Vertical gardens, wall-mounted planters, trellises for climbing plants, and green walls are becoming common, especially in smaller spaces. Rustic and natural elements, incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and metal in their raw forms is popular. Weathered or distressed finishes add a rustic touch. Bold and bright colors, brightly colored planters, cushions, and garden art are in demand, adding a pop of color to the greenery. Water features, small ponds, fountains, and bird baths are popular for adding a tranquil, soothing element to gardens. Lighting, string lights, lanterns, and pathway lights are used to create ambience and highlight key garden features. Artistic sculptures, unique, often abstract sculptures and garden art pieces are being used to make statements in garden design.